Up Siacoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Siacoin. What's the current price of Siacoin? What's the price changes of coin the Siacoin? In this video I will show you, my friends, the massive updates, the massive changes occur in the Siacoin. So I'm very happy to see this time the price change of the Siacoin is going positive. So that's mean that the prices start moving upward, my friends. Very congrats to all Siacoin holders at this time, my friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the Siacoin in the market is 0.01631 USD dollar is the latest price of the Siacoin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Siacoin, so as I told you, my friends, in the start of this video, that now at this time the price change is going positive, and you can see the last 1 hour price change is positive 0.79%, and last 1 year price change is positive 6.7%. so that's mean that the price start moving upward, and a massive gain occur by Siacoin from the yesterday, my friends. Massive gain occur, absolutely. You can see from the price chart that's clear that Siacoin start pump. You can see here from yesterday the Siacoin start moving upward, and absolutely, my friends, that's a good jump of the Siacoin. That's a really good move of the Siacoin, my friends. I really appreciate this move of the Siacoin, my friends. And you know what, my friends, what is your expectation from a Siacoin? My expectation from a Siacoin is 100% positive. I know that they will take a pump, my friends. That is why I'm very excited for this job, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Siacoin and the future? Is the price will pump more in the future or not? What is your opinion about that? Tell me in the comment box, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.